Oh boy, do I have some cool new merchandise to show you today. First up, inside of Universal Studios Florida, at the Wicked shop, we have this black Wicked t-shirt for $37. Wicked spelled in yellow brick. This black shirt here, only $33. It's got the W there. For $30, we have this Wicked mug. Outside very gold, inside very emerald. This could almost serve as a trophy of some sort, right? For $75, a Wicked hoodie. Has Wicked on the front, the hot air balloons. Oh, look at that. That's very nice. Pockets. It zips up the front. The rim at the bottom. $35 for the Wicked purse. That's one side. That is the other side. Nothing fancy on the inside. $27 for the Wicked baseball cap. Let me show you the back of it. This is how it's one of those, I guess, like infinite sizes. It's not the snap, but you can kind of slide that to size it perfectly. There we go. And look at the front again. Take a good look at this plate for $30. This one is larger. The price is higher. $35 for it. And then we have this Wicked dish here for $24. $24 for this one. A little smaller, a little cheaper. $70 for this green polka dot sweatshirt. You know what? I think the American Dream, Dusty Rhodes, would approve of this. So this is a Wicked jacket, kind of like a bomber jacket. Let me show you that right there. That's on the right front pocket. That's on the left chest. There's nothing on the back though. A Wicked credit card holder, or any card, $25. Very shiny. Remember me showing you the dishes? Well, these are like kitchen or tablecloths. More like, I would say, like a kitchen cloth. A pack of 2 for $22. Here's the other one. There you go. So 2 for $22. A broomstick, the Nimbus 2000. Priceless. This is a Wicked fleece blanket for $55. I can show you with the pictures what it's going to look like unfolded. Very soft. The amount of times I'm saying Wicked would make you think I'm from Boston. $70 for this glamorous gal sweatshirt. $21 for this mug. It's the same design on both sides, and that's the inside. The green sweatshirt is also $70. Know your power. $28 for the bucket hat. It is reversible. That's one way to wear it right there. And this is what it looks like when it's reversed. That t-shirt there is $37. The Wicked Witch of the West plush. It is $30. This one, obviously a different witch, but it has the same price of $30. This pink hoodie here, which is a pull over the top, pull over your head hoodie, is, was that 60? Oh yes it is, $60 for it. And that is the price for this one as well. Now the t-shirt, which has both of those characters in the same styling, See how cute they are? The t-shirt is $30. $90 for this dress. I'm going to guess that this is kind of like Dorothy's dress, right? And here is Dorothy as a plush for $30. Oh, look, it has Toto. Oh, quite the bargain. This plush is also $30. The only time those flying monkeys may look at all cute. Even then, I don't know, look deeply into his face. I don't know, is it cute? I mean, I guess as cute as it's going to get. $75 for this garment. I guess it's a hoodie. I don't know. It has a hood. It's 100% polyester. I'm going to go on a limb and say this is in honor of the Tin Man. Because right below it, we have a Tin Man plush. $30, just like the other plushes. A t-shirt for the Cowardly Lion. Is that the back of it? I think it is. I think that's the back of the shirt. Yeah, there's the front. I'm very nervous. Or a very nervous lion, it says. A very nervous lion. $40 for it. It has a plush as well, a matching plush for the lion. Just like the other ones, $30. Wait a second. They have all the plushes grouped together on one shelf. And the only one I haven't shown you is the Scarecrow. I'm not even going to look at the price. I'm going to tell you it's $30. Oh my goodness. Look at the lounge fly. I'll check the price in a second. But look, she's in her bubble. Oh my. I think it's 90 or 95. It's 90. $90 is incredible though. $45 for the matching wallet. Here is a look inside of that wallet. This t-shirt is $40. Let me give you a good look at the graphic that's on the front. $85 for the Wicked for Good Spirit jersey. Now, inside Islands of Adventure at the All Hallows Eve boutique, we have for $37 this Merry Christmas t-shirt. Also $37 this black t-shirt here, which is done in the vein of an ugly Christmas sweater, but it's Halloween related. Oh no, for $37 this here we have the headless snowman on a Rudolph reindeer. Oh my goodness. I think these two t-shirts we've seen before, holdovers from past years, but they're also $37. Another $37 shirt, that is the front, but we're more interested in the back. Only the dead need sleep. Looks like all the shirts I'm looking at are $37, including this one. This one says, "Be kind, not a monster." I do like this one. $37 as well. Halloween, open 24/7. Here is a wall of Chucky merch. Stuff we've seen, like during Halloween Horror Nights anyway. I have a few different slippers to show you. Each pair is $29. Here's a wall of Five Nights at Freddy's merchandise that we have also seen during Halloween Horror Nights. So this shirt, I think is $37 as well. This is strictly Halloween. No Halloween Christmas mashup for it. All Halloween. Well, we blew the budget. That's all I'm going to allow you to spend for today. Don't miss the magic. Don't miss the fun. Click that subscribe button.